Hello and welcome back everyone. This week I am planning from November the 11th to November the 17th and we are back guys. We are back with the Plump Planner kids. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a Plump Planner spread, but I'm very happy to be back. You guys know how much I love this shop. You may know that November the 10th was known as Remembrance Sunday, happens on the closest Sunday to the 11th here in the UK, but November the 11th is actually the armistice day. It's full on armistice, so I chose to keep my remembrance / poppy kit for this week to mark Remembrance Day and Armistice Day. We've got our usual poppy washi. We've got the "Lest We Forget" quote. It's just black, red, white and poppy mad. So I'm very happy to be doing this spread, but also very happy to be, I just like poppies in general, so any excuse to be using black, red and white, and I'm happy. So right, I am filming this a bit late. I'm filming this actually on Monday the 11th, so, and it'll be going up tonight. Yes, it's been a bit of a busy weekend. We took a trip to go see my sister at university, which was really fun, really nice to see her. We do have habit trackers. Let's do the sidebar first whilst I'm nattering. So yeah, went to go see her. That was very nice. And then yesterday was the 10th, and as you know, that the 10th of every month is known as Subbox Day for my family business. Being a Sunday, we couldn't actually send them, so they were sent today, being the next closest working day. But it was all go packing them yesterday, and getting all the addresses ready and just getting all the last little bits prepped and ready to go. So I'm just going to pop the washi tape down now. Unfortunately, Mondays are quite busy, so it's very loud outside today. Not too much I can do about that, unfortunately, but we'll get by. Just realised how wonky that habit tracker was. Okay. Ah, that's better. I quite like the quote for this week. It says, "Shine like the stars." Without getting too deep, I guess, it's nice that that quote fell on this week, because I know a lot of people often see past loved ones, and as stars, or as, if you think about them, you always look up. So that is probably not the reason why they wrote it, because especially seeing as me and My Big Ideas is an American company, and they don't have Armistice Day, they have Veterans Day. But I'm really sorry, I have no idea what day that falls on. I don't know if it's the same day, or I just know it's called a different day. So I'm pretty sure that's not why they wrote that, but nevertheless, it is very nice. I am going to use the notes header this week. It's a bit hit and miss. I don't coordinate my kits with the colours of the planner months. I just go with whatever looks pretty. So it's really hit and miss whether the colours of the people are speeding. So yeah, as I was saying, it's very hit and miss whether or not they look good with the kit that I'm using. And unfortunately, this week we've got like a yellow goldy colour with a black and red kit. So don't have any date covers. The dates are going to have to stay, but I can definitely make use of this sticker whilst I have it. Right, first thing first, I'm going to put a quarter box down for my usual weigh day. I've decided to put my full box at the top of the Monday this week. Very strange. Those who have watched my plan with me before know that I always do full box roughly around the middle on a Monday, but there are some festivals which need to be remembered. Christmas is one of them. No, but Remembrance Day, I am a firm believer that you should remember those who have passed and those who fought for us. So I definitely feel like that needs to go at the front, at the top. I also need to mark down, I'm probably going to do my checkbox next actually. Checklist I should say, not checkbox. There, and I can finish off here. There we go. Now, seeing as most of Monday has already gone, I can pretty much back plan this. So I do know that we also deep cleaned, well not deep cleaned, but sorted through and decluttered our freezers at home. So I'm going to pop that at the bottom there. Right, Tuesday. Just realised that needs to go on a Tuesday because there's only 2 of these and there's 3 boxes. So I'm going to pop that there instead. There you go, and this checklist can go on a Tuesday. So I'm going to do checklist at the top. Probably do some washing. There we go. Right. And then I'm going to do another one of these, as hopefully going to go out to lunch with my family. We're also going to go shopping, so there's plenty of stuff that we need to buy and stock up on. We also need to do a lot of laundry tomorrow, and I mean a lot. We've got a lot to catch up on. You know, being away for the weekend to go see my sister. Not only have we got dirty washing that we brought back with us, but we also didn't have those days to do washing. Okay, Wednesday. Going to start Wednesday, I think, with... See, I can't find my Plump Planner work stickers, so I can't mark work the way that I usually do. Nor do I want to just use up loads of things. And what I might do is just do another one of these. I'm going to leave a gap to write work in. Orders will also need to be done. Oh no, I said leave a gap. Just said that. Okay. I'm going to use a darker full box just to break it up a little bit. There we go. So got that. Wednesday, work, orders, time. I need a checkbox for things I need to get up to, so I'm going to probably put this one down at the bottom. It gives me a little room there. I'm probably going to we're going to wash my hair Thursday perhaps. It could be Wednesday. I don't know yet. Let's just do a YouTube binge. Because why not? I say why not? A Thursday. Right. Let's go with... I'll put work in this quarter box here. Then I might do a full box straight away. But I'm going to cover that black line. It's going to be a bit of a bigger gap than I usually have, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Right, so we've got checklist. As no doubt I'll be getting up to some stuff. On Thursday I'm going to concentrate on writing plus project decorate starts. With my sister being at university, it does mean that she has holidays and she's coming home for, I think it's like 2 or 3 weeks for Christmas. So I just need to decorate her bedroom, so when she comes back it's all new and fresh, and making sure that everything is really nice for her and her boyfriend, so they feel like they're moving, you know, back home again and everything's nice. Okay. If you can hear that, I don't know if you can, he's being very quiet, but if you can hear that nibbling, that is Hammond in the corner of the room. He loves taking food up to his bed and then he'll eat it throughout the day. Which is funny because they're meant to be nocturnal, so you're meant to be sleeping, Hammond. Just saying. But nope, he takes after his mother. He just loves to eat. Okay. Friday is going to be very similar layout to Tuesday. I'm going to do my checkbox at the top. If I can, there we go. Found where I put it. Probably going to put a little, oh I forgot to mark in bath. That was sensible. I'll pop it there. Friday. Not payday. It's very sad. Oh wait, I know what's happening on Friday, which means I can. I know I can write work in there. Work in the gap. Then here in the UK, it is Children in Need Night on Friday the 15th, and that is a big thing for my family. We've always watched it. Party food, sweets, cakes, all of that stuff. Yeah, that's all in there. We always have like a little party. Unfortunately, Children in Need has gone downhill a little bit, in my opinion. It's definitely not as fun as it used to be, and it's also a lot shorter. I have noticed, but what can you do? I'm going to do another light checkbox here. There we go. And I can just write something down at the bottom there if I need to. Right, Saturday is going to be our usual, well, the weekend's going to be the usual kind of setup, so need a small to-do list and a half box at the top of Saturday and Sunday. Then we need our, oh dear, last 4 boxes. I'm going to use these two, the poppy ones, and not the striped ones, just because I feel like Please definitely get the point across that it's Armistice week. And don't worry, I am wearing my poppy. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry about that, that's my phone. My husband's just finished work. So I always like to know when he's on his home so I can just make sure that everything is okay. If he spends more than 40 minutes walking home, I know there's an issue. Okay, I now need to do the reverse, so a half box on Sunday and the to-do list on Saturday. There's going to be a lot of stuff to do on the Saturday. This will be our main day of decorating just because the whole family's at home. My husband's home, my dad's home. Obviously my mum and my brother are always home anyway, but we'll have everyone to be doing and helping and stuff. So I will also need to film on Saturday, and Plan With Me will be going live as normal on Sunday the 17th. Okay, also need to do more laundry on the Sunday, and do you kind of think actually that's about it? I might just do another poppy there, so if there's anything that happens I can write it in next to it. So as you can probably gather, Armistice Day really does mean a lot to my family and myself, so I am going to ask that in this video we do a minute's silence, not 2 minutes, otherwise that's just really long, but just 1 minute silence, just to remember all those that have fallen and that are still fighting for us today. Okay, there we go. There is 1 minute silence for all those who have sacrificed their lives to keep us safe. I do appreciate if you did do it with me. I don't think the amount of time we can give is enough for what they paid, but you know, we can do our best. Oh, there goes Hammond again. I feel like I should bring Hammond in a video once, that'd be fun. This is the finished spread. I really do like it, not just because it is a remembrance spread, but I just really genuinely love the colours of black and red anyway, so I really do like the way that it looks. If you like this video, don't forget to like and comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And also don't forget to let me know down in the comments what you're getting up to this week. I'd love to know what you're getting up to. But until next time, bye guys.